Where are we?
I don't know too. Wait, there's someone here.
A robot?
Yeah, I think so.
Hello there, friend. I am Robert the robot. I do not know exactly where you came from, but I happen to have seen your research history and you wanted to know what media information literacy is. Do not fret. I am here to help.
Wait, you're a robot?
Well, I'm one of the machines on the internet.
Don't worry about my friend here. She tends to get shocked often. We would appreciate your help.
Alright, both of you. First things first. What do you all know about media information literacy?
It's all about media.
Obviously,
Media information literacy helps individuals to engage responsibly with media.
that is correct. Media information literacy is the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, create, and communicate information effectively across various media formats, including print, digital, and visual. It helps individuals make informed decisions and use media responsibly.
Oh, now I get it.
That is great. Now, let us discuss various kinds of media. Do you all know one?
Print media.
Well done! Print media refers to any form of media that is distributed in printed form. Can you both give an example of print media?
A newspaper.
A book.
That is right, as well as magazines, billboards, brochures, posters, and many more. Media information literacy is essential for critically assessing print media content, enabling people to detect biases, confirm accuracy, and comprehend the impact of media on public perceptions. It promotes responsible media consumption and improves communication abilities, fostering more informed and engaged citizens. Next up is,
Hmm. Broadcast media?
yes, broadcast media is,
Oh, I know this one. Broadcast media refers to distribution of audio and video content to a dispersed audience via electronic mass communications media.
right, and an example of this is,
An example of this is radios.
Streaming services, television, podcasts, and many others.
okay, great. Broadcast media significantly shapes public opinion, cultural norms, and political landscapes by providing widespread and immediate access to news and entertainment, influencing behaviors and societal values. It also plays a critical role in education and awareness, driving economic activities through advertising and fostering community connections through shared media experiences. Since both of you know a lot, what is the importance of MIL in interpreting broadcast media messages?
Oh, media information literacy is vital for interpreting broadcast media messages as it equips individuals to critically analyze content, discerning biases, intentions, and accuracy.
It fosters informed decision making and helps viewers and listeners navigate the complex landscape of media influences, promoting a deeper understanding of how media shapes public perception and culture.
Great! Let us go on with the last kind of media. The last one is digital media. This is easy as it is in your era.
Oh yeah, digital media refers to content that is stored in digital formats and accessed through digital devices.
This type of media encompasses a wide range of formats, including text, images, video, and audio, and is typically distributed via the internet.
And it includes everything from websites, social media platforms, and digital media to online games, apps, and streaming platforms.
Wow, you both have outdone yourselves. We're not done yet.
Aww!
Aww.
Don't worry, we're almost done.
Yay!
Yay!
Now, let me discuss the strategy for media and information literacy. To analyze media content effectively, always check the facts and verify the sources to ensure accuracy. Encourage critical thinking by questioning the context and purpose of the information. Foster skepticism to help people assess the credibility of what they consume. These steps help develop a discerning approach to media, making users more aware and thoughtful about the content they encounter. This way, individuals can navigate the media landscape more effectively and responsibly. With that, let's make this short. Media information literacy teaches us how to critically handle and understand media in today's digital world. It teaches us the importance of checking facts and the origins of information, while also encouraging us to think deeply and question what we see and hear. MIL is essential for making sense of the vast amount of information we encounter across print, broadcast, and digital media. By using MIL skills, people can make smarter choices and participate more responsibly in the media world. In short, MIL is key to becoming informed and engaged citizens in a media-driven society.
Wow, there was an easier way to learn about media information literacy, and you chose to take us through each era? Are you kidding me?
Shh! Anyway, thank you, Mr. Rupert, for that comprehensive explanation about everything that we needed to know about MIL.
You are both welcome. Feel free to come back here anytime to learn more.
We sure will. Thank you again. Let's go, Fanea.